what's going on? I am Crystal Alexander and welcome to my page. You can say hi. You can say hi. Tonight we're going to be making a low carb friendly chicken carbonara.
I know how to do parkour.
Yeah. Okay, give me a minute and then we're going to eat. Go eat your food. So we're going to get right to it. So if you are hopping on live, say hello. Let me know that you're here. And if you catch the replay, please drop the word replay. If you're brand new, drop the word new. I knew I should have started this early. That's okay. Like I said, we're going to get right to it though. 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to put a small onion and we're going to saute that for a few minutes. So turn this heat down so it's not too loud. Because it's loud. Hey guys, hello. If you're on live, just say hey, say hi. Let me know where you're coming in from. We're making chicken carbonara. 2 tablespoons of butter, a little bit of onion. We're going to saute that for just a few minutes. And then we're going to add heavy whipping cream and chicken broth. Shake these up. Hello. Welcome. So many new people. It's super exciting. This is one of my favorites. I don't do a ton of cooking like this live because it is super loud. But this one is one of my favorites, so you're getting it live. And I had some meetings move around. And I was supposed to do a product live tonight, but we'll do that tomorrow. So I will be going over all of that tomorrow for you guys. Stay tuned, just because everything got shifted around. But we are adaptable. So now I'm going to do what did I write down? 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. That's a little bit more, but measure with your heart. And then we're going to do a cup of heavy whipping cream and a cup of chicken broth. So I'll do this for 1 second. Okay. So 1 cup of each. Hey, do you guys love chicken carbonara? I can't wait for you guys to see this recipe. If you do, say yes. I love it. If you watched my live on Sunday, I was going through my recipes and I'm like, I have not made this one in a really long time. It's about, I did a really small onion, so if you had like a larger, about half an onion. So there we go, and then a cup of cream. There we go. So we're gonna let that heat up. And what else am I going to do? What am I doing next? Parmesan cheese. I did not put that out. A half a cup. That's okay. I have a half a cup right here. So I'm going to let that heat up a little bit. And then we're going to add some stuff. Hello. Hi, Tracy. Hi, Stacy. Hi, Debbie. Hello. And like, I didn't say it yet. I was going to say, like I said, but I am going to post the link to this recipe above. It is already posted in my recipe and resource group. So if you're not in there, drop the word group or message me the word group. Because if you're not in there, the link won't work. It's a private group, so you have to be invited. So like I said, drop group or message me group. Or if you're already in there, as soon as I'm done, I'm going to link it above for you guys. Okay, so now we're going to add Parmesan cheese and Italian seasoning, a half a cup of Parmesan. They were out of Parmesan like a few weeks ago, and I bought this small one. So I'm just finishing this off. I don't remember what recipe I was using it for. So half a cup, and then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Oh, it finished it off. I might need to grab a little more, but I think we're good. Hello. Yes, I have a lot of favorites. So if you're not new here, you're probably like, every recipe is your favorite, but I have a lot of favorites. Teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And then we're going to add spinach and let that wilt. It is so cold here. It's like 10 degrees outside. I'm in Michigan. Maybe drop where you're coming in from. We got a bunch of snow today too. My husband's outside shoveling for like the 3rd time today. Okay, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper, and depending on your taste buds, you can add a little more at the end. So salt, pepper, and then we're going to add the bacon and the spinach. There we go. Okay, what am I doing? Spinach. I gotta like check my notes all the time. 3 to 4 cups. I'm just gonna add until a lot is gone because it wilts. Sometimes I feel like I'm adding so much and then it wilts. I'm like, oh, I could have added way more. That piece did not look good. So we're gonna add this. I think I'm able to add this whole package, which was about 6 ounces. Heck yeah, I'm gonna be able to get all of this in. Awesome. And then I will recycle that. Let's stir this up. Okay. Get that in there, and then we're gonna toss in the bacon. I did about 7 pieces, and I cooked it earlier. Sometimes what I'll do is like on Saturday or Sunday, if I make a big breakfast for my family, I'll do like 2 of these and I'll save the bacon for making this recipe the next day. And you can buy like bacon bits if you want, but I feel like this just tastes better. Or like real bacon pieces, whatever that's called. Okay. Let's stir this up. And once that is wilted, we're going to add the chicken and just get that cooked all the way through. So I like to take the frozen chicken breasts. I get them at Costco, a huge bag of them. I like to once a week use my Instant Pot and prepare shredded chicken for the week. So I made a whole bunch. We're gonna finish this off today. I used a lot of it yesterday for those chicken enchiladas that I made. So we're gonna finish this off today. And I said for the week, and it's only, what day is it? Tuesday, Monday? It's only Monday, but I used a lot of it already, and I have other meals planned for the week. So, okay, this looks good. You can see that that's wilted there. Now we're gonna add the chicken in and just get that situated because we want it to cook, just warm up basically. This is about, gosh, I would say about 3 chicken breasts, give or take. I did a whole bunch. I just didn't like divide it equally. And I get this question a lot for this recipe. This is a 1-pot meal for me. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in a bowl. I'm gonna sprinkle with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. And I have my protein, my healthy fats, I have the spinach, so I have a vegetable. It's like all one deal. My family, on the other hand, Lucas has been asking for mac and cheese, so I'm probably gonna make him some of that too. So it just depends. You can make another side. A lot of people ask me, like, how do you stay low carb and your family isn't? I just make an extra side at every meal. And sometimes I just enjoy the carbs, you know? Okay. See, that whole container of spinach wilted. And it doesn't even look like that much, but it was a bunch. Okay. So now I'm just gonna kind of let this sit and warm. Let me see if there was anything else. Yeah, that's it. Super simple. Like I said, this is one of my favorites. I always have leftovers as well. So this will probably be my lunch tomorrow. We have some leftovers to get through today and tomorrow already before we go on to like our next meals for the week. But like I said, I'm going to put this recipe above, a link direct to the recipe. If the link does not work, you need to message me the word group or drop the word group. That's where all of my recipes are posted. And it's I've been getting so many questions lately, so I want to make sure I address these while I'm live. If you have to be invited, it's a private group. If you go and you search it, it puts you in some scam group, you guys. So message me group, drop the word group. I'll personally get you invited, okay? And then once you're invited, all my links that I've been posting on my lives will work for you. I think you guys have been enjoying that. It makes it much simpler to find that exact recipe. If that has been helpful, just drop the word helpful, and we can do that. We'll continue to do it. Okay. This looks good. It just needs to heat up a little bit more, and it will thicken up as you go too. But here, one pot, chicken carbonara, so good, so good. Yeah, with spaghetti squash, you can do that too. Not a huge fan of spaghetti squash, just me. So you won't see me very often use it. So I'll just do things like this and have them like by themselves. And sometimes you can also do like those carbonara noodles. The kids love those, so this way I'm not making like two different types of noodles or whatever. You could do that with this as well. I think that's it. So like I said, how many people does this feed? I don't know. It feeds my family of 4 and gives me leftovers, but it also just depends on how hungry everyone is, because there are days when my kids will eat just like a little bit, and there are days when they like, I feel like they must be starving to death because they eat so much. So it all depends, but it is enough for a family of 4. If you love this recipe, you're excited to try it, please share this video out. It helps me a ton. Drop the word shared so that I can thank you. I don't use any noodles, no noodles at all, but if you want to, there are carbonara noodles is what they're called. They're a low carb noodle, but I don't get them very often. I'm gonna put this in a bowl, sprinkle with a little bit more Parmesan. Dinner is served. That's it. Yeah, and oh, and if you do want to be notified when I am going live, simply tap this video. Right up here in the corner, you should see 3 dots. Click those, click follow, or feel free to send me a friend request. The follow button seems to be the easiest at this point. That's it. I'll get this linked in just a moment. If you have any questions, please let me know. But otherwise, have an amazing evening, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.